Hello, happy morning. So it's a Sunday vlog and it's 18th September and I'm starting with planning my day. So my targets for the day is to complete science and technology, polity, economics and previous year question paper, that is 2022's prelims paper 1 question paper, that I'm going to do 10 or 20 questions. So these are my goals for the day and I'm going to work on that. Let me take you guys to the mainstream. And this is my bookshelf, and I'm going to take the books I need for this day. Firstly, I'm going to take science and technology, then Indian economy, then polity. So I'll let you know the authors or the books I'm using now. Firstly, I'm going to tell about science and technology, and I'm using Byjus edition or Byjus publication of science and technology. As I'm a student of Byjus, I got this book. So I'm starting with the session 1 with science and technology. It's my first session because my mind feels fresh as soon as I wake up. So I'm starting the studies with science and tech. I'm not a student from science background and I did not even choose science as a group in 11th and 12th. So it's very difficult for me to understand even a single technical word. So I rely on Google every time. So it takes some time for me to understand and to cover up all the syllabus. So I have to take notes or write down on all the sides of my book. So it looks clumsy or messy all over the book. So firstly, I thought I can complete one chapter for a day, but later when I started studying, I realized I couldn't do that. So I minimized that with half chapter, but in reality I couldn't able to do that too. At the end, I studied only 4 pages and 3 subtopics, but I'm fully satisfied with the progress I did because I understood what all I studied. So moving on, next I'm about to start previous year question paper study, that is 2022's prelims paper 1 question paper. I'm yet to download it and I'm about to take a print out of it because it will be easy for me to read and write on the paper or mark on the paper. So I'm printing the English version and I downloaded it from the official websites of upsc.gov.in. tried, but I got only 1 mark out of 10. But it's okay. I'm sure I'll improve myself in future as goes on. Before starting the next session, I'm going to clean up my desk and I'm going to place the next subjects, books, or things I need. Even before that, I need something to have because I'm hungry.
To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
So, after satisfying my stomach, I'm about to start the next session. So, my third session is with Polity. I'm doing tablet learning by Byjus IS. The chapter I'm covering is Governor. So, it's an evening session. I started by 5 pm. So, it took nearly 2 hours to complete this. I'm recording today on 19th September. It's raining outside and it's so noisy and I can't go further. Excuse me for that. I'll try to subtitle it.